Alright, thanks to my teacher, Mr. Jensen. Mr. Jensen is retired now. Doesn't do much of anything except play. Must be nice. Anyway, so, let's see. I'm, using, this Genius. If you plug your hard drive in and it's not recognized, you have to go to, Device Manager and create new simple volume. New volume. So you go to Device Manager and Disk Management and create new simple volume. Now once you're all recognized there, your computer may recognize the new hard drive immediately when you hook it up USB, but it may not. If it doesn't, you're going to have to go to Device Manager and Disk Manager, and then from Disk Manager you create a new simple volume and basically format it. Here I have it already formatted. I'm just going to leave that up, and then we're going to click the Disk Genius down here. And so we can see that what we want to do is basically click up here to OS migration or whatever, change of ownership. Okay, so you can see this says target, select target. And this is a clear volume, new volume, so that's the new volume we just created. Just click on that and then click OK. All partitions will be overwritten, OK. And luckily, we have the same size. If you have a smaller drive, it won't work. So in this particular case, we have the 1 terabyte drive. So we need a 1 terabyte drive to migrate the software. So if you're migrating to a mechanical drive, to a solid state drive, to run your system faster, then these are the things you need to do. Okay, so it's going to go, all files will be overwritten. Let's look at this again. So here we have the source drive. Here we have the target drive. So here we have it's a Samsung. So this is going to be the source, Samsung. It's the one that's inside the computer. Target drive doesn't actually say. It's a Seagate. So I would imagine the S stands for Seagate. So I'm just going to go start. And files will be overwritten. So what we're going to do is we're going to reboot to Windows pre-existing environment here. So we're going to reboot, so that'll close all the other programs that are running here on the computer. It's going to close it and just use the migration software. And so that's basically how you do it. You'll see that it'll restart and it'll come up and then start automatically migrating the software over. And that's basically it. Loading files. Takes a minute or so. If we're lucky, it'll come right up. And it's working, it's working. So, you see this is just working by itself. No other programs working in the background. And so the process has begun. And it will automatically set target disk to boot the system. And we can try that as well. And so we'll know that it will boot and run. And so, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to let it do its thing. And it will probably just automatically shut off. So, yeah, that's how to do that. If you need any help, you can contact me, 707-443-8347 Pacific Time. And it's passtech72588 at Gmail. Good Disk Genius. This is reboot to migrate ownership. So, This is a 1 terabyte drive, and I have a 2 terabyte drive there on USB 3, and it's fairly easy to do if you want to back up your data. You want to put a solid state drive to speed up your computer. We can do this. So, if you need any help backing up your software, you can get a hold of me, 707-599-4489. BASTech72588 at Gmail. B-A-S, like Bills Associated Services, Tech, like technician, 72588 at Gmail. Okay, so I was trying to clone this drive, copy, whatever, migrate, change ownership, and I got a fly on the screen. It's not your show. So I bought a hard drive off eBay, and of course it had bad sector, right? So the Disk Genius program will be able to go through and verify the cylinders and repair the disk, basically, theoretically, if it is repairable. So hopefully it will be repairable, and I won't have to make a big fuss about it. So, you know, when I first saw the problem, I'm thinking, okay, well, I need to contact these people and let them know they sent me a bad drive. And they're like, oh, well, try to repair it. Okay, so this is where Disk Genius comes in. So we're going to give it a try and see if we can redo it and copy it over. So if you go to bad sector verification, up here on the top you see file disk partition tools. Go through that section there and you'll be able to come up with this here, repair process, verification process, etc. Thanks for watching.